Hello everyone. So I'm here live on Instagram for a change because I've been doing a lot of lives on YouTube all of this month, and today I thought I will go live on Instagram because I'm doing a couple of things. One, I'm catching up because the daily challenge has been a challenge and I haven't been able to keep up with it every day. So because I've not been able to keep up with it, there's a lot of backlog and I need to catch up on some of that. So today I'll be doing some catch up work. Secondly, I am pulling out a new set of watercolor pencils. This one is by Brustro. This is Brustro's Artist's watercolor pencil. All this while I was using the Faber-Castell watercolor pencils, and they've served me so well over the last almost a month. But this set I haven't yet opened because I just never came around to it, and I want to open it now. So I'm using two Brustro products. My regular Brustro paper, watercolor paper, which is 25% cotton. This is my A5 paper, and for all of this challenge I've been using half the sheet, which is an A6 size. So I'm going to just continue using this watercolor paper for my painting, and this is the watercolor pencils. So both Brustro products. Now I'm going to unbox this because as you can see, the plastic is still on and we're going to have to peel that off, get started. I can't wait to look at 72 colors. I thought 48 was a lot, and now this is 72. So hi Alka, cracking out some new supplies, and I'm so excited to try out this set of 72. Alright, now shall we open? How does it look? Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Oh, just look at those colors. Okay, I think some of these have moved out of place. Yeah, they definitely have moved out of place. But look at those colors. Something so wonderful about colorful stuff. Oh, you have it. How nice. So you're saying it's really good, huh? Awesome. I was really looking forward to this, so I'm very happy. That's a good start. Alka has it and she says it's good. That's good enough for me. And oof, to match a level below. Too good. I am absolutely swamped. Is there more? Or am I missing something? Oh, there's more! There is more! I should have known what 72 looks like. Oh my, this is heaven. This is heaven. This is a selection I cannot get over. Selection of colors. Just look at it. And they have names. Do they have names? Oh, they do have names. Ooh, parakeet, azure blue. Oh my. I'm going to be swooning over these for a long time. Crimson. Oh, these are so pretty, so pretty. Oh, it's going to be challenging. You're right. When you have too many colors, it is really challenging to pick the colors you want. That I have to agree with. So I still need to pick, which means let me show you what I'm going to do. Today I'm going to do some of the prompts that were that I missed out on. So this is one option, the cornetto cone ice cream. Okay, and the other option is, of course, this is the French fries. Yeah, French fries. So French fries or cornetto. I can do one of them. I mean, I'm going to do both of them, but I'm going to do one of them on the live. So, which one shall I do? I have 72 colors. Which one can I use more of the 72 colors and less? I think this one. Probably this one. Okay, so I'm going to go with this cornetto. And even though I say more colors, I still feel I'm not going to be using too many. So let's look for the browns. I'm going to definitely, yeah, cornetto. Yes. So what are we going to do? We are going to pick some browns, dark brown, and I see a coating on some of these. I guess I will have to clean them a little bit. So look at this one, this brown here. Now it's been inside for a while, and that's not the fault of the pencil or the manufacturer. It's just my fault for not using it. You see this little bit of crust or whatever coating? I'm going to have to wipe this off, and I'm sure if you sharpen it off, it's all going to go. Even wiping off is going to keep it. There's my sock. Please don't judge my sock. Ah, there. Got it clean. So yeah. So just look at your pencils and just make sure that they are clean. If you have kept things as long as I have kept things. That's a nice brown. What color is this? This is cedar. Ooh, interesting. I've never seen a cedar before. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm all lost, I'm going to go catch my look for some rough paper. Rough paper is the best thing. So rough paper, yeah, I have some rough paper. Next thing is to test the color. So I'm going to move this thing out of frame a little bit, because you can't test colors if all the colors take up all the space. Okay, let's try what was the color I just now took? And where did it go? Ah, there it is, in the top one. It was cedar. Oh, it's a nice brown. Reddish brown? A reddish brown? Lovely. Yeah, a reddish brown. So do we have reddish brown? Not so much, but this will be a nice color to keep. Okay, let's try another color. Let's try, what is this? Walnut. Clean that up. Walnut. Oh yeah, this is definitely a better brown for my cornetto. Yeah, not the reddish one. So let's keep the reddish back. Walnut is definitely a browner, yeah, this is a better version. Okay, so walnut I'm going to keep. What's the next dark brown here? Oh, what did I take right now? I'm seeing cedar now. Ooh, definitely a dark brown. So what is this? This is cedar. So walnut, cedar, and what is this? Clean that up. It's a little, the tip is a little whitish. It's probably developed a little bit of mold. So the story there, oh, dark chocolate. Now that I think is a given, right? I mean, do we need to argue if dark chocolate suits cornetto? No, it suits cornetto. That's it. Okay, I think this is all the brown we need. We don't need more browns. Then what I need is a waffle color. Waffle cone is slightly yellow ochreish, but it also has an orange tinge. So I'd like to keep one orange for sure. Yeah. This may be a little bright, but I'll keep that orange. Is it orange? What is the color now? Orange, yes, it is orange. And then I want a slightly ochre-like color. So maybe this one. What is this called? Yellow, oh, yellow ochre. I picked the correct one. Excellent. So yellow ochre, yes. So I kind of see myself using these two colors to get the shades I want, right? And if needed, I could put a little bit of the brown just to get a brownish hue. One of these browns just to get a brownish hue. I think that's it. I am sorted with the colors. Let me see the next yellow ochreish color. What is it called? It's called sand. How very appropriate. Sand, huh? Yeah, this is a nice color, definitely more yellow ochre than the yellow ochre I tried out, but not the shade I was hoping for. This is looking a little bit greenish earthy. This is brighter, so I'm not going to take this one. Leave this be. Leave this. And what else? There is some gray on the ice cream, the white vanilla part of the ice cream, so I'm going to take a gray. This seems to be, visually when I look at my color pencils, it looks like the only gray that is light enough. So let me just try that out. Yeah, it still is quite dark. I'll keep it though. And finally, if you have known anything about my coloring in the last 20 something days, black. I can't do without black. So I'm going to put everything else back. The black also, this is black, see, has also developed a little bit of a white substance on it. So clean that up and let's put it